Embarking on the adventure of a lifetime requires careful planning, and the right gear can make or break your Everest Basecamp experience. First, let's tackle the backpack. A comfortable, well-fitting backpack of 5,070 liters is crucial for carrying your essentials. Also, bring a smaller day pack, around 20-30 liters, for day hikes and to carry essentials like water and snacks. Layering is key. Start with moisture-wicking base layers, both top and bottom. Pack a fleece jacket for insulation and a high-quality down jacket for those freezing nights. Don't forget waterproof and windproof outer layers. A jacket and pants are essential. Invest in sturdy, broken-in hiking boots to protect your feet on the rugged terrain. Pack at least 30 for pairs of wool or synthetic hiking socks. Spring liner socks to prevent blisters. Insulated gloves or mittens are a must to keep your hands warm, along with a warm hat and a sun hat. Protect yourself from the intense sun at high altitude. Tack HIGH SPF sunscreen, lip balm with SPF, and sunglasses or glacier glasses. A wide-brimmed hat is also beneficial. Stay hydrated with a durable water bottle or hydration reservoir. Water purification tablets or a filter are highly recommended. Don't forget these essentials. A reliable headlamp is critical for navigating in the dark. Trekking poles will ease the strain on your knees during ascents and descents. A comprehensive first aid kit with blister treatment, pain relievers, and any personal medications is essential. Tack high-energy snacks like granola bars, nuts, and dried fruit to keep your energy levels up. Bring a camera to capture the breathtaking scenery. Finally, remember to pack any personal items like toiletries, wet wipes, and a good book for downtime.